All right, Elijah, how you doing? So this is your pump. It's repaired. Just want to show you the operation and then wrap it up because I'm gonna make it quick. I have to move on. Now, the pressure vacuum. Here is the trunk, and here are two door lock actuators. These are the ones that you find in doors, right? So I just want to run it up real quick. Unlock, lock. All right, so pressure 0.7, vacuum is also about 0.7. As you can see, lock, unlock. All right, very good. Next port we're going to check is the handle, the trunk handle. Let's see, what have we here? Handle. Handle is extended. Handle is retracted back into the trunk lid. So that's how it's supposed to be. And next port we're going to check is headrest releases. If depending on the model of your vehicle, when the engine will be running, then this port will activate. It's a vacuum for headrest release, so the headrest will drop down when you hit the button on the console. It's vacuum. Now this very port also does a remote trunk release, and that will first of all send pressure into the trunk. Let me just show you that. Okay, and then we will have pressure on this port right here. All right, so let's do this. As you can see, first the pressure was sent onto the actuator to unlock the trunk, and then pressure was sent through the solenoid. There's a little diverter valve on the solenoid that reroutes this particular port vacuum with pressure, so it switches between vacuum and pressure. Well, long story short, everything is operational. And last thing is the handle, just to visualize it so you can see it. Let's see the handle. Handle is extended, as this would have been your handle. Handle is retracted, extended, retracted back. So pump is operational. I have no problems with it anymore. The motor was bad, usual. And let's take a look real quick. I put new wires here just for good measure. I also put new hose. And after running this pump for a long time, motor is not hot. Very important, because if it overheats, we're gonna have issues with internal veins. That is to be checked, absolutely. And pressure vacuum circuits are shut down. That's just like, I do this all the time, because lumbars and HVAC, we don't need that. The pump can burn out if they start leaking. Okay, so this is it for me. I just wanted to make this quick video because like I have to move on to other things. Like I said, I can touch the motor, no problems here. Nice and cool. Everything is good to go. All right, so this is it. Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.